Hey, Father this. Hey, Father this. Uma me what Father this. Father, Uma me Hey, Father, you bail out on me, Father. Father, you bail out on me. Father this, you bail out on me. On a nigga who has been real with you from 2007. Father then. Mubisa Vanessa said, Minya accident, 6 weeks in here. I can make it just say, Mubisa Vanessa, so I fought for part from me. Mubisa Vanessa, so I fought for, and I was testing people say, oh, we need to and I will keep trying. Yes, she knew I was coming to her. Maybe one morning, come on, we are coming here, I don't know. We are no. Who for this thing? Come out of 3-5 billion. Because we have funny is for this month. So to come out of Chester for public things all year, right? Father, I'm not check. Hey, for this thing. Accident and nipper, Moja, the cat, the dentist, remember me, I'm shimming, fair father. I'm saying, Daddy, I mean, whoa. We must not for this guy. Sir, Vanessa, and my man, send me money. Because, brother, my baby has seen it too. Maybe a couple tell funny first, and your man have tough for mommy. Vanessa, everything close them, remember, bullet and young. Hey, before Babini, I won't me bow. When you me back, hey, who did talk? One of my Mrs. CS, and here, CS near 5,000, CS near 1,008, less than 2,000. Mr. 2,000, one of my Mrs. 55 million. Vanessa, I told you, oh, mommy, bill 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 300 million. What's the Kalani? Kasia, a Kalani Anima, 300 million. Paracetamol, 300 million. Code, 300 million. Mamma, what Vanessa? What does mean? I got me, both to me, Vanessa, who gets me a different. But back to Father Dixon. Mamma, Father Dixon, you bail out on me. A poor Father Dixon. Father, me I'm ready to die, Father. Me I'm ready to die. Hey, Father, you bail out on me. Father, me I'm ready to die. Do you know I don't insult Adebayo? Do you know why I don't insult Adebayo? Yes, for Adebayo, he gave me the chance, just like you for that too. You gave me the chance, but if I gave me small chance, no, you bail out on me. But Adebayo, from 2009, I did give him problem, and I give from 2009. I give him a problem. He only unfollowed me 2020. Do the math. 11 years. Father, listen. You've known me more than the years Adebayo know me. But Adebayo has no bail out on me. You only unfollow me. You got it. Adebayo for unfollowing me. Fuck you. Adebayo for unfollowing me. A friend stick to a friend, no matter what. You told me I didn't hear. So what? I was going through depression, nigga. Fuck you, Adebayo. Abua. Adebayo is for Father Dixon. Adebayo, you are not Abua, but fuck you. Bolare, one of the foolish, useless people. Bolare, Basia, you Bolare. You know I didn't insult you. Or do you know I didn't beg you because you never unfollowed me. Bolare, you never unfollowed me. Yeah. That one, I love you for that, Bolare. You never unfollowed me. But you know, I work for you in Kasapa FM. I work for you, Star FM. Kasapa 1 year. Star, 1 year. Bola, you know me too well. Yet you sacked me from Kasapa. Bola, hey, me check. Hey, sorry, me is a girl name. Me check count. Check count. Hey, Bola pe. Okay, Bola so ni check. Bola utikaka. Bola utikono. Bola utikono. Aduni. Bola utimi share pro yourself. Bola dash me. Okay, me check.